Greetings and welcome to another installment from the Patchwork Productionz Learn to Crochet for Beginners series. In this video, we will be making a granny square with a heart pattern. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Stitch, and Patchwork Productionz is all about learning and doing crochet. So make sure you subscribe so you never miss another installment. Without further ado, let's get started. So for this video, we're going to need quite a bit of yarn. We're going to be using 4 colors to make a very colorful granny square. I thought this would be a fun idea. Basically, we're going to make a heart in the granny square. And the idea is that you have the different segments here. And so I'm going to have it for my style, just the way I want it. This center is going to be a certain color, just a solid color. And then certain of these little double crochet sections are going to be different colors throughout the row, throughout the rounds. And so that will make a somewhat of a heart shape. It's a little complicated. I guess you can say I'm pulling out all the stops, but it's just my little plan here. So it's going to be sort of like a crochet-a-long kind of a thing. So there won't be too much talking. It'll just be me doing the work, and I'll probably have some text prompts if anything really important needs to be showed up. Maybe like what step I'm on. But just to let you know, if you'd like to do the exact same thing I'm doing, I have 4 different colors of yarn here. I have a white yarn, sort of white. I think some people would call this an off-white, not like you can tell from the camera. Then I have this tannish, light brownish kind of a color. I have a pink, and I have red. Yarn specifics, only thing that's important is that it's acrylic, and they're all weight 4. Brand doesn't matter, and I don't even remember the brands for some of these. So that's what I'm going to be using, along with the hook that I primarily like to use, although you don't have to be limited to using this, but it's a US J10 or 5.75 millimeter hook. And so I shall make this, and you can follow along or you can do your own thing. Alright, and here is the finished product. I'm sure you saw partway in the video I changed plans midway because I realized that I needed these extra color pieces right here, because originally I had it that this was all one little row of three browns, and I didn't like that afterwards, so I had to do some interesting work to undo it. But hopefully I will give you the instructions for how to do it the right way the first time, so that it won't be nearly as difficult as what I had to go through. But this is the end product. Hopefully you can tell that it is a heart. I didn't know how to split this last segment into two different colors, so I just made it the white that I used for the center. I suppose that works. Maybe I could have done it differently, but this is how it turned out. Didn't take too long to make, and with a little fancy needlework, got rid of all of my ends as well. So I can't say they're the best hiding. If you were in person, I'm sure you could find some of them. I think there's one of them right there. But most of them are hidden. So this is a nice little granny square that has a little heart color design in it. I kind of picked a very complicated project, so hopefully you can follow along. But it was pretty fun to make, and this can be used as a regular granny square for just about anything. Sure, you could make these larger and make them into a blanket or something, I don't know, pillowcase. There are all sorts of things you can do with this. Well, for now, that will be all. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more about crochet, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends and family or on social media. And feel free to leave a comment down below. If you have any questions or suggestions or any feedback, I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, catch you later.